What's up, everybody? My name is Ashley Gunther. My company is called The Lone Wolf. And in this video, I'm going to teach you and introduce the easiest ways for you to offer loans to your network, to your email list, to your followers, and get paid. It's one of the simplest ways to $10,000 per month and beyond. And what's great about this is you do not need a license to offer loans. So let's jump in to my loan broker training. Why take my loan broker training? I have been in finance for over 5 years. We have helped over 18,000 clients and we have gotten over $1 billion in approvals. So I created this training because my company no longer offers loans under $25,000. And I saw that there was a need from credit repair companies to business formation companies to business credit consultings to coaches and other consultants. There was a need for others to know and understand how to offer loans, micro loans, 25K and under. And so I created this training with this in mind. Now, when you purchase the training, you will get a portal login to my website and to the training. You get lifetime access when you purchase this training, meaning at any point in time, new training is added, you will continue to get access and you will not be charged another thing. This is a one-time payment training course with lifetime access. So when you get the micro lender training, you will get this guidebook. It contains 46 pages. And I'm going to show you a few of these pages. You will use this along with the video training and the other documents to start, run, and grow your microloan brokerage. Again, you do not need any type of licensing, even if you are in states like California and New York. So there's a quick little intro. It's going to let you know about what the microloans are. It goes over what is in the training. This is old. This used to be a $29 a month investment. It is no longer. It's just a one-time fee. It made it a lot easier. This is at a self-paced course, so you can come back to it at any point in time. Now, the primary videos that are in this training and over the next few weeks, and maybe by the time you are viewing this, we've already added new videos, new worksheets, other things, new lenders. So the core micro lender training contains 7 videos. In the first video, what you need to get started. So what you need to legally and effectively run a micro lender brokerage. We always offer cheap or free options as well as paid options as you grow your business. The next video is going to go over creating your offer. So breaking down the targeting and who do you want to target and how to offer that. Next, setting it all up. So creating your systems and your automation, your landing page. Then in video 4, we're going to go over the application. In video 5, we're going to go over the offer process. So you're understanding and organizing the offers. You're knowing what to offer and what to stay away from for your client. Number 6 is the sales process. So how you present the offer to the client, how you break it down to ensure that this offer is going to be something that helps them. And in the last video, we're going to go over upsell. So what else can you offer your clients? So just to show you a little bit more, what's the process you need? We have this written, then we have the intake form. So this will go over the important things that you need to ask to ensure that you are helping your client correctly. Next, we go over the discovery call. Here is a breakdown of the how-to guide of helping your client. That's the one you're going to want to walk through. We go over 5 important factors in a fact sheet. The fact sheet continues. Also go over what can lead you to being declined. And you also get these as downloadable. So you have the fee agreement. You can choose your fee. We suggest between a 5 to a 15% fee. No fee number is wrong or right. So you have the ability to figure out what you want to charge your client. We also give you a funding application template as well. And then over the next several pages, you just saw a screenshot. We are going to go over all the different lenders that you will go to. You have the qualifications, the websites, the things that are important to understand. And you'll also learn more of that in the training that you are provided. Here, other things that are going to be added: authorized user accounts, some business credit services that you can offer, and some other things. So we're going to continue to build this out, but this is the #1 go-to training to learn how to simply and effectively offer and sell and understand the process of microloans. There are some lenders that will approve over 25K. So you do have the ability of that. And something else that you will learn in the training is if your client receives multiple offers from multiple lenders, you can accept more than one offer. We call it loan stacking. So your client could potentially get more than $25,000 if they qualify for it. If you have questions like, how do we know if they qualify? The training that's provided teaches you all of that. And plus, you have me as your mentor that you can reach out over text or email with any important questions. And oftentimes, when you guys ask me questions, it leads to me adding new training to the portal. So if you have additional questions, you can go ahead and comment below, or you could reach out to the contact information. If you're ready to purchase, go ahead and you can click that button below, pay the invoice, and then shoot me a message, and we'll get you added to the portal training.